Are you an athlete, pickleball player, tennis, football player, or basketball player needing to rebuild your knees fast? Do your joints feel stiff and sore? We might have something for you. I'm Nurse Mary with Powerline Health, and I want to share what my brother told me about sulfur crystals. He said that just after 2 weeks of daily use, his knee pain was gone. Here's the deal. Just put 1 or 2 scoops of the MSM Sulfur Crystals in a glass of water each day. In about 2 weeks, you'll likely notice a big difference. Consistency is key, as this provides your body with the nutrients it needs to rebuild the cartilage in your joints. So, some of the product details. MSM powder dietary supplement has 3,000 milligrams per teaspoon. It's commonly used to strengthen muscles and tendons. This is a source of organic sulfur, crucial to maintaining healthy tissue, connective tissue, and supporting the hair, skin, and nails. Evidence suggests it may also support a healthy immune system. It supports healthy joints. It promotes immune and respiratory health. It's made of vegan ingredients, and it's also a convenient powder for easily dispensing or taking. So just for fun, I also wanted to add my recipe, and I've started calling this my fake tea that I enjoy taking each evening. I get a cup of warm water. I add a scoop of the MSM crystals. I put 1 teaspoon of lemon, a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, and a teaspoon of honey, and it makes just this really relaxing drink for the evening. You can find out more on our website, powerlinehealth.com.